Have you ever hit rock bottom? That place where everything feels broken, your dreams feel shattered, and you wonder if you'll ever climb out. If you're there right now, listen closely. This isn't the end. It's the start of your breakthrough. Look at someone like J.K. Rowling. Before Harry Potter, she was a single mom struggling to make ends meet, rejected by multiple publishers. She hit rock bottom, but she didn't stay there. She chose to fight, to believe in herself when no one else did. That's how she turned failure into a global empire. Just like Rowling, you have a choice. You can let your lowest moment define you, or you can let it refine you. Companies like Amazon started in garages and faced countless setbacks, but their founders saw obstacles as opportunities. That mindset changed everything. Rock bottom isn't a place of shame. It's a place of truth. When you're there, all the fake stuff falls away. You see who you really are and what you're truly capable of. But here's the tough love. No one's coming to save you. No fairy godmother or magic moment. It's you who has to stand up day after day, even when it hurts, even when you want to quit. The breakthrough happens when you decide enough is enough, when you stop blaming and start building, when you push past fear, pain, and doubt, and keep moving forward. So if you're ready to go from rock bottom to breakthrough, make one promise to yourself: never quit. The climb is hard, but the view from the top is worth every step.